You unhook this bitch from this bitch.
You got the solution?
8-pin. I'm doing a video. And it's getting posted. 8-wire 2468 with this model. Pulled all the wires out. Tried to chase into the modules, but you know what? Fuck it. I'm going to cut to the chase. Find the black sheath that goes into this bundle. This piece was sitting on here, so undo that. Chase the wires on this black sheath going into this bundle. So you got black, green, and white. This was grounded when that was grounded to the motor. Simple little connectors. Black was on black, white was on white. So I jumped the one that was going up behind the starter. I jumped black to white. Easy. I left white, female, disconnected. I don't know where the black one went. Oh, there it is. Left that one disconnected. Probably could put some tape on it. Okay, that's new. I have tried just about everything. Ooh, kitty. Just about everything with this thing, and it kept tripping it up. I've tried high-powered fans, tried leaf blowers on it. I need my compressor going, I need my pressure washer going, and this is my fix.